Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for KDP. We will begin by understanding the fundamental requirements set by Kindle Direct Publishing for both your book's cover and its interior pages. Next, I will guide you through setting up your Canva account and initiating a custom design project. It is crucial to select the appropriate trim size and account for bleed, which is an extra 1/8 inch on each edge, to ensure a polished, professional appearance for your published book. Now, let's focus on creating an eye-catching book cover. You will design a complete wraparound cover in Canva, encompassing the front, spine, and back. For optimal quality, especially for ebooks, aim for dimensions of 2,560 pixels in height by 1,600 pixels in width. Always use high-resolution images and fonts, ensuring a minimum of 300 dots per inch. Remember to use only original or commercially licensed elements to avoid any copyright issues. Moving on to the interior, selecting the right trim size is key. 6 by 9 inches is a popular choice. If your book features images or graphics that extend to the page edges, remember to apply bleed settings, adding 1/8 inch to the top, bottom, and outside edges. For margins, ensure at least 1/4 inch for no-bleed designs or 3/8 inch for bleed. Consistency in your font styles, sizes, and spacing across all pages is vital for a professional look. Finally, it's time to prepare your files for publishing. Export both your cover and interior designs from Canva as high-quality PDF print documents. It's important not to include crop marks or bleed marks during this export process, as KDP handles those automatically. Once exported, upload your PDF files to the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. Always use the KDP previewer to meticulously check for any last-minute errors before hitting that Publish button, ensuring your book looks perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.